Downtown shooting rampage suspect Jason Rodriguez will ask a judge to have him hospitalized for up to 6 months.
And in new court papers, he claims Rodriguez is not mentally competent to stand trial or even participate in his own defense. WESH 2 reporter Bob Keeling broke this story first on WESH 2 News at 4. He joins us live from the Gateway Center where the shooting happened. Bob, is this the same thing as an insanity defense?
It's not, Jason, but certainly it could be setting the groundwork for one down the road. And in the near term, his attorney is set to go before a judge and argue that Jason Rodriguez is mentally incompetent to stand trial and instead should be sent to a state hospital. Right now, his lawyer says downtown shooting rampage suspect Jason Rodriguez is not mentally competent to stand trial. And because of his psychological state, his lawyer Bob Wesley argues that Rodriguez is also not capable of participating in his defense at a critical juncture when prosecutors are deciding whether to seek the death penalty.
No, this is not an insanity defense.
However, Orlando criminal defense attorney Richard Hornsby says getting Rodriguez declared mentally incompetent is often a first step.
It's a buildup because if you have a person that is currently incompetent and suffers from mental health issues, we've already got a foundation for establishing an insanity defense.
Wesley tells WESH 2 he has as many as 4 experts set to testify in a hearing next week that Rodriguez will need as much as 6 months of hospitalization and medication to have his mental competency restored for trial.
It looks like a classic stress overload situation.
The day after Rodriguez's arrest, Wesley outlined his client's downward mental spiral. In an interview with police, the suspect himself sounded as if the world and his former employers were out to get him.
I resigned thinking, I was going to get a better job, and these people, Reynolds, Smith and Mills, they were lying in the office, they arrested me, and they threw me out for no reason at all.
Now, Wesley declined an on-camera interview, but he did tell us over the telephone that a hearing is set for Monday in this matter and that Rodriguez will be in court. He also acknowledged that this was unusual to have a public hearing on someone's mental competency, but coming up all new at 6, we'll tell you why this will also be his opportunity to argue against his client getting the death penalty. Reporting live in downtown Orlando, Bob Keeling, WESH 2 News.